These small yet remarkable creatures are full of surprises and unique traits that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. Did you know that agoutis sit upright on their haunches to eat, much like a squirrel? This behavior not only helps them handle their food more efficiently, but also allows them to keep a lookout for potential predators while they dine. Their dexterous front paws are perfect for holding and manipulating food items, making their eating habits quite fascinating to observe. Their powerful jaws can exert a bite force of up to 700 pounds per square inch. This incredible strength allows them to crack open hard nuts and seeds that other animals might find impossible to eat. The agouti's bite force is a testament to its adaptability and survival skills in the wild.